We're gonna start this project with medium-sized brush and orange paint. We'll start by creating a circle. Next, we'll paint outline for seahorse body. We'll create a wavy line to paint neck and belly of the seahorse, and then we'll add another line to paint its back. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in yellow paint and create outline for the sand on the bottom of our painting. Next, using yellow paint, you can paint everything below this outline. After washing and wiping your brush, you can use it to dip it in light blue and outline seahorse. Next, we'll outline the yellow part of our artwork. Now we can switch to large brush to continue painting our blue background. Next, we'll switch to a small brush and orange color to continue painting seahorse. We'll create a spiral in the lower part of the seahorse body. You can keep using small brush and orange paint to fix any edges or to add more layers of paint. Next, we'll keep using small brush and orange paint to create seaweed. We'll start by adding wavy lines and then we'll add leaves on both sides. We'll continue painting seahorse face by adding small triangle and then adding two small circles on the tip of that triangle. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in red paint and create straight lines on top of white part of seahorse belly. Next, we'll paint a coral using red paint and small brush. We'll start by adding a wavy line, then we'll paint large branches on both sides. Now you can start adding smaller branches on both sides of each large branch. Now we'll be adding the smallest branches. We'll add things using red paint and small brush. We'll start by adding 3 ovals next to each other, then we'll paint them in. Now we'll use the same steps to add a fin next to Seahorse back. We'll start by painting 3 ovals next to each other and then we'll paint them in. We're gonna wipe our brush and use green paint to create more seaweed. We'll add couple wavy lines using dark green paint. Next, you can dip your brush in light green and repeat the same steps in a different spot. This time we're gonna add small leaves on each side. After wiping your brush, you can dip it in black paint and create a black circle inside of white circle. After wiping your brush, you can add a second layer of orange if the paint seems too transparent. After washing and wiping your brush, you can dip tip of your brush in white paint and create outlines for bubbles. We're gonna paint different size circles above and around Seahorse. Next, we'll highlight each bubble by adding a small white brushstroke. Now we'll highlight an eye by adding 2 white dots on top of the black part of an eye. Our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe.